goldenrod can be used, as I've said, to really help allergies. The flowers and leaves can make a hot tea, and you can also make a cold tea out of it. Goldenrod also works really well in tinctures. Because goldenrod is extremely abundant, you usually can harvest it without fear. However, like any plant we've spoken about, you want to make sure always to leave some of the plant, cutting down the plant at key times instead of removing the entire plant from a space. Goldenrod is another one of these tall pendulous wildflowers that takes really well to a cutting. You can cut it down, it again can grow at a lower form, give you sometimes more blooms, and allow for more harvesting. You always want to make sure to leave a good amount of the blooms up there while they're in their height of their blooms. You can take some, but because it is such a key pollen and nectar source for a ridiculously wide amount of species, you want to make sure to never remove too much of the blooming plant, and instead remove only as much as you need and when you need it.